Alright guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about what a solution to a differential equation is and then how to find it. So say you have a differential equation that looks like this. I'm going to give you this phrase, so a solution to a differential equation, which we often just call DE. So solution to a differential equation is a function y equals f of x that makes the DE true. So when we mean makes the DE true, it means that both sides are equal when you plug in for y. So just thinking back to like algebra 1, right? If we have the equation 3x minus 4 equals 11, you know that x equals 5 is a solution because when you plug it in, you get 15 minus 4 equals 11, and the two sides are equal. That's what we're doing here. But instead of just plugging in one number, we're plugging in a function for y. It's saying the derivative of that function is equal to 3x squared times that function. That's what we're trying to find. Okay, so first off, let's just look at some examples. So if I tell you if dy dx equals 3x squared y, I'm going to say that's this one, is y equals sine of x cubed a solution to the DE. Okay, so the way you're going to answer a problem like this, or anything that says verify it's a solution, or check if it's a solution, is you're going to take this equation and you're going to plug it in. So you're going to need to take y, you're going to need to find y prime because you need a dy dx, and you're going to plug that in. So you're going to find y prime and you're going to plug it in, both the y and the y prime, into this equation. So they're telling me, okay, my y is equal to sine of x cubed. So when I take the derivative of that using the chain rule, my dy dx is cosine of x cubed times 3x squared. Okay, so I'm going to take both of those now and just plug those into this equation. So when I do that, I'm going to get cosine of x cubed times the 3x squared equals 3x squared times sine of x cubed. So once I've gone ahead and I've plugged in, then the question I kind of ask myself are these two sides equivalent? Are these two sides mathematically always equal to each other? Are they the exact same? And hopefully you can look at this and see the answer is no, right? One of them has a sine, one has a cosine. So what that means is it is not a solution. Okay, so let's go take a look at another example. So suppose I now do is y equals 4e to the x cubed. Is that a solution to this same differential equation? Dy dx equals 3x squared y. Okay, so again, what I'm going to do, anytime a question asking if something's a solution or prove it's a solution or whatever, we're going to find the dy dx, the y prime, and we're going to plug in. Okay, so if my y is 4e to the x cubed, and then I'm going to take the derivative of that, the dy dx, the derivative of that is 4e to the x cubed times a 3x squared. Use the chain rule. Let's just multiply those terms. That's a 12x squared times e to the x cubed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in. So I got the y, I got the dy dx, let's plug those in. So when I plug those in, I get 12x squared e to the x cubed equals 3x squared times 4e to the x cubed. Now even a chump in Miss Cruzy's class can see that these two are equivalent. So because these are equivalent, because these work, what that means is it is a solution. So that means that if you take this y equals 4e to x cubed, the derivative of that is equal to 3x squared times the original function. Interesting. Okay, so that's what a solution is. So I think the next thing you might wonder is, well, how did you get this solution, right? Where did you get the y equals 4e to the x cubed from, right? Did you just guess? And of course, the answer to that is no. In the next video, I will show you how to find that solution. Stay tuned.